Bad idea.
It's time for fun! Balls! Sorry, we don't have any balls!
Okay.
And more balls! What shall I do? Oh, wow, Alice! I like it, but I have small cap. Alice! I like this coffee! Delicious! Oh! We need a big slime!
Alice! One second, Alice, look! Alice, you like more slime? Oh no! Alice, look! Slime! Mommy! Mommy!
Don't worry!
Yay!
You need to be careful with the magic!
It's my car! No. It's mine! Mine! Car! Oh no! Wow! Let's go! Help me! Oh no!
This?
Huh?
No.
Okay. Wow! No. I like blue. Uh-oh. Now it's better. Oh no. Help me. Ta-da! No. Let's go. Wait, mine. No! Alice! Mine! My gosh. Mine!
Huh? Oh no! Kids, you need to share the toys.
No! It's mine cars!
Oh, idea! Wow! It's too big. Chris, come here. Alice, this is for you.
Thanks!
This is for you. Now you can play together.
Attention! Cyclone is coming! Rain from balls is everywhere! Oh, help me!
Oh no!
Huh? What? The ball everywhere? It's a joke. Uh-oh. The ball everywhere. Oh, Alice, where is Chris? Let's find him.
Okay.
Let's go. Chris. Alice, maybe Chris in the bathroom? Let's check. Chris? Let's check in the bathroom. It's just a dog. It's not Chris, Alice. Let's follow the Chris. Chris, let's check in his room. Chris? Chris? Do you hear? Oh, it's our doggy. But where is Chris? Let's check another room. Chris! Oh, Alice, look! Oh, wow! Alice, let's check the kitchen. Maybe Chris is here? Chris, you here? I found something. Oh, it's a spider! Run! Let's go! Let's go! Run! It was a spider. Where is Chris? Alice, look! Let's check in the house.
Okay.
Chris, where are you? Alice, I found something. Look, it's unicorn.
Hello.
It's not Chris. No worries, Alice. We will find him.
Okay. Help!
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 Chris, is it you?
Yeah!
Oh, Alice, he's inside. Let's open.
Yeah!
All right.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Chris, we found you. Yay! Well done! High five! Good job! Alice! It's time for you to go to sleep. Come with me.
Mommy, I can do it.
It's so nice of you. Thank you, Chris.
Let's go. Okay. Good night, Alice. Here you are! Alice, no more running around. It's time to sleep. Oh, you want to sleep here? Oh, yes. Let's go. Maybe this can help. Alice, why are you not sleeping? I'm hungry. Okay, Alice. I'm gonna give you some milk. Okay. Let's go. Thanks. Yummy. La 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 la. Alice, where are you?
Alice, the doll needs your help.
Alice, and you're going to sleep now. Oh no! Oh, idea! Wow! Let's go!
Oh, my kids, have a sweet dream.
Blue, it's mine! Wow! Pink.
I choose yellow.
Hello.
Wow! Alice, catch it! Hey, what is that?
Try to press this button.
Yes! Awesome!
so cute.
I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry too. Wow!
Wow.
Yummy! Yes! Wow!
Woo. This is for you. This is for you. This is for me.
Wow! It's so cool! It's a car! Yes! Wow!
Alice, we have something for you. Let's go. This is for you. Let's check what's inside the boxes. Wow! Wow! I like it!
It's so cool! It's a bubble gun!
Please, Alice wants to try.
Wow!